Hello, my name is Luis Alfonso Arte Palacios. I'm from the class TC 1017, and today I'm going to teach you some masteries. The use of recursion for repeated algorithm and the C++ coding conventions. So let's start. So first with recursions. So basically the recursions are when you call a function to do something. It's like it's more akin to like a loop. Like for example, this is a recursion because it's a loop when a function called I it's equal to zero, it's zero, and this function what does it's first here you put the function what is equal to 1 or whatever. Here you put that this loop is going to do it until the I is less than 10, and with this last you say that the I variable is going to sum himself 1. So for example, for 0, and when it completes his loops, it's going to be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. And this what it does, it's display the number is and the variable I. Like for example, if we run this program, we get this. The number is 0. After it's 0, it returns, and like this says I sums 1, so now I is equal to 1, but this is complete, this is true, so it make happen. So yeah, 1 is less than 10, then it displays I that it's no longer 0, it's 1, so let's do it again, 2, 3, 3, whatever. So basically that's what a recursion is, when a function call himself and do a loop. That's basically what a recursion is. And now for the 8, that convention coding. So basically you can write whatever you want in C++. It will read it whatever you want. But here I'm going to compare two things. For example, this code that for me and for a lot of people it's easier and more aesthetic to read. This one, like for example, you look at it and say, wow, what it does. It's easier to look this, for example. First of all, these ones it indicates when it's open and when it's closed. A lot of people put it here, then others put it here. I like it to put it here. I don't know, it's how whatever you want to. Then you declare your variables, like I separate things so I can read it easily. For example, here I separate variables. Here it's an if. This program doesn't do anything, it's just an example. So for example, here I know that this one, this is inside this. Oh, this is inside this one, because it's like this make me look like this is a whole this, so it's easier to read. Also here, like I know this one is inside this one, and also know that this one is inside this one, because with this it's easier to read that from here to here it's that, from here to here it's that, from here to here it's this, and for example I do this, the functions, and then make a space and then return for end the program. And with this I mean, oh, here's the variable, oh, this is an if, okay, oh, this is another if, I don't know if it's inside or it's in another place. So and here, oh, maybe this one is inside this, or maybe this one. So it's more hard to learn, to how do you say, to read it. So, and also it looks better to me. So basically do this, because with this method a lot of people are going to read it easily. So that's basically the video. Thanks.